We are also adding login page for in our workspace in Visual Studio Code. This contains HTML, CSS files, you can see, and I'm opening C++ codes. No, sorry, C codes, and I am running the average file of average of three numbers using C programming. Input first number 3 to 7 number 5 that number 7, and it's successfully running C codes in your Visual Studio Code. We have also installed live server for running HTML or CSS codes. So for just install live server extension. Also we have installed opening browser for opening an HTML or CSS files in your default browser or other browsers. Just simply open your HTML files and click anywhere on your HTML files and go to open other browsers and click Google Chrome, and it automatically opens. This is the output of our HTML files. So you can now, and the other process is with using live server. It is also working. So two ways you can open your HTML files to your browsers. One is live server and another is opening browser. You can download two extensions, or you can download one of these from two extensions. I'm also installing a Cobalt 2 theme. It is also helpful for customize our Visual Studio Code. Just install Cobalt 2 theme extension for our Visual Studio Code. And look, the color has changed after installing. There are two options of color changing in Cobalt 2 theme official. You can choose any one of these from two. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel, and if you are first in my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you very much.